The stock market. A wild ride. Up, down, sideways. Confusing, right? It's like a roller coaster that never stops. One moment you're up, the next you're down. It can be overwhelming, even intimidating. It doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate these waters smoothly. You see, regular folks, everyday people, they can win too. It's about taking control, owning your financial future. Imagine the freedom of making informed decisions, the thrill of seeing your investments grow. And that starts with the right tools. Tools that are designed to simplify, not complicate. Think of a captain navigating a ship. They need a compass, a map, something to guide them. Without these, they'd be lost at sea. They need a compass, a map, something to guide them. In the world of trading, these tools are your indicators. In trading, that's what indicators are. They are your signals, your guides. Signals, flashing, telling you when to buy, when to sell. Powerful stuff. They can make the difference between a good trade and a great one. But here's the catch: most indicators, complicated. They are often designed by rocket scientists for rocket scientists. Designed by rocket scientists for rocket scientists. Not anymore. We've taken the complexity out of the equation. We've cracked the code, simplified the game. Now anyone can understand and use these tools effectively. Ready to make some money? Let's go. Your financial destiny is in your hands. Let's embark on this journey together. Introducing VIP trading indicators. Simple, effective, profitable. These ain't your grandpa's indicators, folks. These are cutting-edge, battle-tested tools. They cut through the noise, show you the money, buy signal flashing, time to buy. Sell signal screaming, take your profits. It's that easy. No more second guessing, no more sleepless nights. VIP indicators do the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? They work everywhere. Stocks, crypto, you name it. Any time frame, any market. Short-term scalping, long-term investing, VIP indicators have got you covered. So ditch the confusion, ditch the complexity, get yourself some VIP indicators. Don't just take my word for it. The proof is in the results. People just like you, everyday folks, are raking it in with VIP indicators. These aren't professional traders or financial experts, but regular individuals who decided to take control of their financial future. Take Sarah, a single mom from Iowa. She was struggling to make ends meet, but she took a chance on VIP indicators. She turned $500 into $10,000 in just 3 months. Her life has completely changed, and now she can provide a better future for her children. Or how about John, a retired teacher from Florida? He was worried about his retirement savings running out. He doubled his retirement savings in less than a year. Now he enjoys his golden years without financial stress, thanks to VIP indicators. These are just 2 of the countless success stories we hear every day. From students to retirees, everyone is finding success. With VIP indicators, you're not just trading, you're joining a community, a winning team. Our community is filled with supportive members who are eager to help each other succeed. We're all in this together, sharing tips, strategies, and of course profits. The collective knowledge and experience of our community make us all stronger traders. So, are you ready to write your own success story? Join us today and see what VIP indicators can do for you. Section 4. Why choose VIP over the rest? A clear advantage. Now you might be thinking, Jim, there are tons of trading tools out there. Why VIP? What makes it stand out in a crowded market? Listen, I've seen it all. Fancy algorithms, expensive software, you name it. Most of it, garbage. VIP indicators are different. They cut through the noise. They're simple, affordable, and they work. No more headaches trying to figure out complex systems. No complicated setups, no hidden fees, just pure, unadulterated profits. Imagine trading without the stress. We're not here to empty your wallets. We're here to provide real value. We're here to empower you, to give you the confidence to make informed decisions, give you the tools you need to succeed, tools that are reliable and user-friendly, because when you win, we win. Your success is our success. So stop wasting time and money on useless tools. Choose VIP indicators. Choose success. Make the smart choice today. Section 5. Unlock your trading potential for just $9. Here's the best part. VIP indicators won't break the bank. Forget about paying thousands of dollars for fancy software. For a limited time, you can access this game-changing system for just $9. That's less than a pizza, folks. And trust me, this investment will pay off in spades. We're talking life-changing profits here. But don't wait. This offer won't last forever. Take control of your financial future today. Section 6. Join the VIP community. Start building your financial future today. The stock market waits for no one. Every minute you hesitate is a missed opportunity. Join the VIP community today and start building the financial future you deserve. With VIP Indicators, you're not alone. You've got a team of experts and a supportive community by your side every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Click that button, grab your access, and let's make some money. Remember, with VIP Indicators, the only way is up.